DeepSeek, an advanced AI model from China, claims to outperform OpenAI in specialized tasks like coding and problem solving.
So that's why the open in OpenAI refers to open source, transparency, so people know what's going on.
Unlike OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo, which excels in versatility,
GPT-4 Turbo supports up to 128,000 tokens of context. That's 300 pages of a standard book, 16 times longer than our 8K context. And in addition to longer context length, you'll notice that the model is much more accurate over a long context.
DeepSeek focuses on precision and efficiency in technical domains, thanks to its mixture of experts architecture. This structure assigns tasks to specialized experts, delivering faster and cleaner results.
This new model, DeepSeek R1 Lite, just beat them all.
DeepSeek reflects China's strategic focus on AI, bolstered by government support, funding, and an open-source approach fostering global collaboration.
From the perspective of the Beijing government, it essentially faces a dilemma. So on the one hand, it needs to make sure that Chinese firms are catching up with tech development, with Western counterparts. But also, on the other hand, the full implication of this new technology has not been fully understood.
This model democratizes AI development, but raises concerns about potential misuse. DeepSeek's specialized focus poses a challenge to OpenAI's dominance, but its success depends on user needs. Focused precision versus broad adaptability. Is DeepSeek the future of AI or just a niche contender? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.
It's called Deep Think, which I love the pun. You hit it and you have 50 messages per day. Beth plays 4 ice cubes and a frying pan at the start of the first minute, blah, blah, blah. But we can hit send, and then we can see the thinking process here.
The battle between OpenAI and DeepSeek transcends technology, reflecting a broader geopolitical contest. AI has become a cornerstone of global influence, shaping industries, defense strategies, and societal change. DeepSeek's rise challenges the status quo, offering specialized, cost-effective AI solutions. If its adoption grows, especially among developers, it could disrupt the Western dominance in advanced AI. However, OpenAI enjoys key advantages, such as Microsoft's backing and global accessibility through Azure.
You do have this relationship with Microsoft.
Yeah.
It has been described as, at times it's been described as a tech bromance in the best way possible. And then I was just reading Alex Heath, who wrote, "It's clear that Microsoft and OpenAI are disentangling."
Look, I will not pretend that there are no misalignments or challenges. Obviously, there are some. But on the whole, I think it's been a tremendously positive thing for both companies, and excited to do much, much more together.
Which DeepSeek struggles to match due to geopolitical tensions and regulatory barriers. Ethical concerns add complexity. OpenAI's closed system provides better oversight to address risks like data misuse and bias. Meanwhile, DeepSeek's open-source model, though innovative, faces scrutiny for potential vulnerabilities and lack of control. This rivalry raises a critical question. Will AI innovation remain fragmented along regional lines or foster global collaboration? OpenAI epitomizes versatile, proprietary precision, while DeepSeek's focus on open-source experimentation democratizes AI development. The winner won't just be the best model, but the one that builds trust, secures partnerships, and meets ethical challenges head-on. DeepSeek excels in coding, outperforming OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo in niche tasks. However, OpenAI's versatility makes it indispensable for broader applications like education, customer service, and creative industries. The future of AI may not be a single winner, but a coexistence of specialized and generalist models. DeepSeek's emergence signals a shift, challenging OpenAI's dominance and sparking innovation. While OpenAI leads with its comprehensive ecosystem, DeepSeek's specialized approach and accessibility hint at a future of diverse AI solutions. The ultimate question remains: will specialization reshape the AI landscape, or will versatility continue to reign? The outcome could redefine technology and its role in global progress. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.